Today, the Department of Justice is pleased to announce the dismantling of a significant drug trafficking organization responsible for the distribution of substantial quantities of heroin, fentanyl, and cocaine in New England. The organization imported these drugs from Mexico over our southwest border and into Rhode Island, where they were then redistributed to mid-level drug traffickers in the Providence, Boston, and Hartford metropolitan areas. This achievement results from a seven-month-long FBI Safe Streets Task Force investigation, which culminated over the last several days in the arrest of 15 people, the execution of 13 search warrants, and the seizure of approximately 4 kilograms of suspected heroin, 1.5 kilograms of suspected fentanyl, and 2 kilograms of cocaine. The alleged leaders of this drug trafficking organization, Claudio, Hector, and Juan Valdez, are all convicted drug traffickers who have been previously deported from the United States. Juan Valdez has actually been deported 4 times, the last after a federal drug trafficking conviction. At the time of their arrest, the 3 Valdez brothers, as well as 6 of their co-defendants, 6 other members of their drug trafficking organization, were residing here illegally, allegedly using stolen identities.
To answer your question, they're all born in Beni, Dominican Republic. Juan Valdez was residing at 24 Aberdeen Road, apartment number 1 in Milton, Massachusetts. Hector Valdez was residing at 34 Burnside Ave, apartment 3F, Woonsocket. And Claudio Valdez was residing at 88 Barrow Street, number 2 in Providence, Rhode Island.
20-year minimum mandatory up to life based upon the quantities involved and also their prior drug trafficking convictions. Traditionally, what happens in cases where people who are here illegally are sentenced to a jail term, they would all serve out their jail term, and at the end they would be turned over to immigration authorities to be deported back to the Dominican Republic. They have never been legal residents. They are illegally in the United States. They have been previously deported, and those deportations occurred after they were convicted of other drug trafficking offenses.
Are they going to come back again sometime?
Well, we hope not, because they clearly represent a serious threat to our public safety here in Rhode Island. They're distributing poison, and we hope that this time they will be convicted, they'll be sentenced to a significant jail term, and then redeported at the termination of that jail term.
Do you know how they